Hello, America, and welcome to another episode of What You Need to Know to Qualify for a VA Home Loan. In this episode, we'll discuss what is the maximum amount of a VA home loan. To answer this question is my lovely wife, Kila. Kila, is it true that there is no maximum loan amount for a VA home loan?
Yes, that's correct. But there is a maximum amount the VA will guarantee without the borrower having to have some kind of down payment. In today's market, qualified buyers are restricted to their county loan limits. Starting in January of 2020, the VA has eliminated the maximum home loan limit. The 2020 maximum conforming loan limits for one unit in San Diego is $701,500. For Riverside County, it's $510,400. If you're interested in a multi-unit, please contact us today for limits on the 2, 3, and 4 unit loan limits.
That's good information. Thank you, Kila. You are currently serving or have served our great country. Our team is honored to serve you. Hold your hand to guide you and accompany you through your home ownership journey.
Valentine Dream Homes Group, delivering the keys to your heart. You and your family deserve it.
Contact us today. We are here to serve.